Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you have a BMW and you've been searching everywhere for the temperature gauge? I've looked through every single menu looking for that thing. Whether you're at the track or just driving around the streets, it's good to know what your engine's doing. So let me tell you, there's a secret menu the BMW's been hiding from you all along. Let me show you. Okay, start off with your engine running. You're going to locate the odometer reset button and hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds. After a few seconds, the main menu will pop up. Once the main menu is up, press the button until you get to unlock. Should be number 10. You're going to press and hold. It's going to ask you for a code. Now that code is the last 5 digits of your VIN added together. Mine happens to be 23. Once you get your code inputted, press and hold, and it'll take you to another menu. Scroll down to number 14, temperatures. There you'll see the outside temp sensors. You'll see the coolant temperature sensor and oil sensor. There you have it. Now you can see the temperatures of your BMW. Unfortunately, these are all in Celsius. If you know how to change that to Fahrenheit, please do me a favor and comment down below. Well, thanks for stopping by. There you have it. If this video was helpful to you, please leave me a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see you around the garage.